Have you ever tried to break a bad habit only to fall right back into it? You tell yourself, this is the last time. But a few days later, you're doing it again. Maybe it's staying up too late. Maybe it's eating junk food. Or doom scrolling on your phone for hours. You know it's bad. You don't want to keep doing it. But it's like your brain doesn't care. Let me tell you something important. You're not lazy. You're not broken. And you're definitely not alone. There's a reason this keeps happening. It's not just about willpower. It's about how your brain is wired. Your habits live in a part of your brain called the basal ganglia. It's like your brain's autopilot system. This part of your brain is responsible for things you do without thinking, like walking, brushing your teeth, or tying your shoes. Now here's the problem. When a habit moves into that system, your brain stops asking questions. It just runs the program over and over. Even if that program is hurting you. Even if you want to stop. But here's the good news. Habits are not permanent. They are not who you are. They're just loops, just patterns, and patterns can be changed. We just need to understand how, and that's exactly what we're going to do. If you want to finally take back control of your habits, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around.
So, how do we actually break a habit? It starts with understanding how a habit works. Every habit, good or bad, follows the same three-step loop. First, the cue, then the routine, finally, the reward. Let's break that down. The cue is the trigger. It's what starts the habit loop. It could be a time of day, an emotion, a place, or even another person. The routine is the actual behavior, the thing you do, like checking your phone, smoking, or biting your nails. And the reward is what your brain gets out of it. Maybe it's relief from stress. Maybe it's a little hit of dopamine. Maybe it's just something to do when you're bored. Let's say you feel anxious. That's your cue. You open social media. That's your routine. You feel distracted or numb. That's your reward. Now your brain learns. Anxiety, phone, relief. That's the habit loop. And it doesn't take long for that loop to get wired deep into your brain. The more times you repeat it, the stronger the connection becomes. Eventually, your brain starts running the habit automatically, sometimes even before you notice what you're doing. But here's the thing. You don't have to break the entire loop at once. In fact, that almost never works. The secret is this. Keep the cue. Keep the reward. Just change the routine. Okay, so we're keeping the cue and the reward, but we're changing the routine. Let's go back to that example. You feel anxious. That's the cue. Instead of reaching for your phone, you take a short walk around the block, or you do a 2-minute breathing exercise. The reward? You still feel calmer, more in control, but now you're getting there in a healthy way. This is called habit substitution, and it works. Why? Because your brain still gets what it wants, but you're giving it a better way to get there. Now here's a simple challenge. Step 1. Pick one habit you want to change. Not 5, not 3, just 1. Step 2. Observe it. When does it happen? What's the trigger? Where are you? How do you feel? Step 3. Design a new routine. Make it simple and realistic. Like when I feel stressed at work, I'll drink water and stretch for 1 minute. And finally, repeat. Habits don't break in one day. But with enough repetition, your brain rewires itself. Seriously. You are not stuck. You are not your habits. You are the one who decides what to keep and what to change. And if you're ready to take that first step, drop a comment that says, "I'm in." Let's start this journey together.